Beef has been in Henry Hart's bloodline for 4 generations. He's a director of a family-owned meat processing business at Warwick, 130 kilometres southwest of Brisbane.
John Dee started in about 1937 as a beef export company. So my great-grandfather bought this facility just after the war.
John Dee is the town's second largest employer with 450 staff who process up to 600 head per day. It's a big business that's continuing to evolve and adapt.
When we did start here, there wasn't even any refrigeration. We'd knock the beast and we'd bone it out hot, and we'd throw the quarter onto the truck and we'd freeze it on the way to the port on the back of the truck, because that was the only refrigeration available. So we've come an awful long way.
As the business continued to grow, so did their online requirements, and the limited speeds offered by their current internet provider became a bottleneck.
So without having a decent internet connection out here in the country, it was in fact faster to put files on a USB stick and drive them to our Brisbane office than it was to try and upload them and send them via the web.
In 2020, QCN worked with local fixed wireless carrier Channel Wireless to beef up John Dee's capacity. It resulted in a 60-fold increase in upload speed and an 18-fold increase in download speed.
The reaction from the staff has been fantastic post-upgrades.
Now web-based training is commonplace, and cloud-based connectivity makes production and shipping more efficient. It's also allowed John Dee to build an automated sort and retrieval store. 80 metres in length, the enormous fridge can hold 30,000 cartons of meat.
And it operates very similar to a vending machine. So we're able to put all of our production, all 10,000 cartons a day, into this machine, and it can bring out the cartons in the order that we need them.
Improved connectivity has allowed John Dee to grow, keep jobs in regional Queensland, and continue exporting high-quality beef around the world.
We'd still be stuck doing a lot of things manually. Without the web-based connectivity, we've heavily relied on that to bring ourselves into the 21st century, and the automation just would not have been feasible had we not had the QCN upgrade.